Hello everyone, hey traders, welcome back to Altrady. As always, let's give everyone a few seconds to join and let us know in the chat where you are watching from and if you are ready for another live streaming. So this live is a bit different from the usual ones because it's our last live before the summer, the winter break, and also the last lie of the year. That means one thing: today we are not here to chase performance, we are here to close the year with clarity. And in moments like this, the market shouldn't be forced, it should be understood. And with me, Dimitro. Hi, Dimitro.
Hello, Rafa. How are you doing? You good?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm so ready for the Christmas vibes and for holiday. What about you?
Yeah, me too. I think like almost all of the trader, yeah, and that Christmas vibe, Christmas mode on. So yeah, I'm agree with your words. Yeah, so when the market slows down, trading becomes more psychological than technical, and this is actually is precisely where real edge is built, not by doing more, but by doing things better.
Nice, nice. Hello, Soda. Hello, everyone. I see that finally someone is joining. So let's start with the macro because today we have a data point that may traders are under that many traders are underestimating. Here we have the calendar. Today, 23 December, the US preliminary GDP is being released today at 2:30 p.m. So in a couple of minutes, 30 minutes. Expected at 3.3% after a very strong 3.8% in the previous quarter. This isn't a number to scalp, it's a number to understand the pace of the economy. Dimitro?
Yes, I agree. And Soda said he thought that last week was the final broadcast. Yeah, we decided to do one more. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
So
we
we,
say that?
yeah. I remember it as well. We said that the last week was like the our final. Yeah, we thought that maybe we will
Oh.
have one more, but yeah, this one is finally. I mean, it's obviously yeah last one. I mean, this year. But yeah, who knows what's going to happen? Yeah, probably not last one. Yeah, but still, we will get back. Yeah, next year as soon as possible. Yeah, Rafa. Is
Yeah, for sure. But
are
only
you-
2 days left to Christmas, so I guess this is definitely the final life.
yeah, yeah. So let's talk about more about GDP.
Yeah.
Hello, Heidi. Yeah, so GDP is crucial because it combines actually few things. First of all, it's consumption, then investments, government spending, and trade balance. So it's a full snapshot of economical health. So I would say for financial markets, it answers one key question: is growth slowing down in an orderly way or not?
Exactly. This is the key question everyone should ask themselves. An economy growing too fast creates inflationary pressure that usually means higher rates for longer, tighter liquidity, and I will say lower risk appetite. And in short term, that is negative for assets like, of course, Bitcoin and crypto.
Yeah, on the other hand, a slowing GDP opens the door to more flexible monetary policy, gradual return of liquidity, and a risk on the ratio in a medium term. So, and this is actually exactly where 2026 comes into play. So, I would say it would be really good, Rafa, right now to open Bitcoin chart. What do you think? And see
Oh,
what is
yeah,
going to
yeah.
happen.
Yeah, let's open our Altrady chart and let's analyze Bitcoin. So, starting from a simple concept, price always tells the truth. So, yesterday Bitcoin attempted to break above 90K. As we can see here, it was the last swing high, and it coincides with the 4 hour body side long. And yesterday's candle, if we move to 1 day time frame, uh, was not really neutral, but it was clear, as you can see here, uh, rejection candle. So that tells us that this supply is setting above that level.
Yeah, that makes sense. Can we get back to 4 hour, please? Oh no,
Yeah.
even on 1 hour it's okay, I think. Yeah, so we can see that, yeah, there is liquidity sweep. I mean, on 90K level. Yeah, so right here before we had like very big spike, red spike. I mean, on the December 18, you can see it, Rafa.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
this
yeah. Here.
December 18, yeah. So I think that could say us that, yeah, it's yeah, you can see there's definitely looks like a liquidity sweep
Mhm.
on 1 hour chart. So my opinion, yeah, we are not ready yet to like go into the moon, because
Mhm.
we just get our liquidity and go lower. So yeah, we need to be careful. Yeah, again, rejection doesn't mean a long-term trend reversal. It simply means demand is missing, and without demand, price cannot move higher. So right now, what we can see, the market is stuck between 85K and 92K, and this range reflects indecision. Yeah, so not structural weakness, but yeah, again, my personal opinion is that we are not ready to go like again to 100, because yeah, we are in like an indecision again. Yeah, so.
Yeah, yeah, I totally agree with your analysis, Dimitra. And yeah, actually, the price is really stuck between the 85K and 90K. So this is the phase where many traders get hard because of over trading, FOMO on fake breakouts, and lack of patience. But if we analyze with patient the chart, we see that there is no spike in any move. I mean, no clear direction. So in reality, doing nothing here is often the best decision.
Yeah, so we like
And
10 days in this range. Yeah, so I think so much people got FOMO on these fake breakouts. Yeah, because when we were very low, I mean at 85, 84K, yeah, I think a lot of people thought that, oh my god, Bitcoin is crashing. Yeah, there's no way that he gonna get back to their like to 90K. So yeah, a lot of people got FOMO. I'm pretty sure in that. But yeah, we need to see what's going to happen next. Yeah, Rafa.
yeah, yeah. I mean, should expect next year because
Yeah.
I want to show you. Like, let's look at one chain volumes because they perfectly confirm this phase. In previous month, guys, the 7-day average, as you can see here on the chart, Bitcoin's on-chain volume daily based on 7-day moving average. The 7-day average was around 100 billion of dollars. Don't look at this the spike here, like the peak at 110 billions, but in the previous month, even earlier, like October and September, the average was 100 billions of dollar. Look at this. In December, it dropped to about 60 billions.
Yeah, 60,
So
65.
yeah, around 70 and 60. So the average is like 60 billions of dollar. There is roughly a 40% decline.
Yeah. So, and I think this isn't panic selling. It's like we can say lack of participation, because this December is historically a special month. So first of all, of course, it's holidays. Yeah. Then it's institutional desk slowing down, and of course, reduced liquidity. So a market without liquidity cannot break key levels. So yeah, we can really say, again, it's not financial advice, but it's my personal opinion, that before the next year, yeah, we are not going to break this range. I mean, between 85 and 92k. That's my personal opinion because yeah, we don't have that much liquidity, I think.
Oh yeah, wise word. And we can see right here, right now, on this volume chart, there is no participation, as you say, Dimitro, and there it even the chart. Sorry, guys, even the chart reflect this low volume participation. So as you can see, from December 12 till now, the price hasn't moved, and there is because there is no volume. So there is why the price is stuck, not only because the market is weak, but also because it is on pause mode.
Yeah, that's that makes sense. Hi, I gave you a like. Thank you so much. We are really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Cardelia Smith. Thanks for your like. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
So, consolidation phases are the hardest psychologically. So, nothing seemed to happen yet, but internally, everything is being decided. So, this is actually where the market selects who stays up and who gives up. So, that's the idea. Rafa, can you tell us about 2026? This will be a key year or no?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. 2026 will be a key year. So, as you say, right now is not the time to give up, and we
Yeah.
don't give up. So, we will see what kind of breakout will come next. We are forming a quite strong support here, static support, and the price is bouncing many times on this support, trying to form a accumulation zone. So let's wait for next year and which narrative will dominate the market. And one of the macro data that we have to consider is the US GDP, because guys, it is, as we say, is macro data that will bring volume volatility for the next year. So as we can track on the quarterly chart, except for the last quarter, all the previous were in positive. If we can um, make average, it is around like 3% GDP. Uh, the last quarter was 3.8, and today the expectation is for 3.3%. So a bit lower, but still over 3%. Dimitro, what do you think the number, the percentage will be for the new GDP?
I'm actually very curious because it's only 20 seconds left, and we'll we'll know the truth very soon. I don't want to actually give predict because yeah, I can I can be wrong, you know, and I don't
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
look like
yeah.
that.
Don't don't worry too much. Every analyst is always wrong. Hi,
Yeah.
Bike Life, welcome, and yeah, thanks, Cardelia. We really appreciate your comments, and I hope
Um.
this is helpful for you. Oh my
Yeah.
God, guys, what the
Minus.
heck? No, no
Wow.
way. No way, this is not true. No way, I don't trust this data. That's not possible. Let's see if there is some big reaction. Actually,
Yeah.
Bitcoin is
Let's
stuck.
go to lower time frame, I think.
Yeah, let's move to 5 minutes.
Okay, we didn't see reaction yet, I believe.
Let me
Mhm.
refresh the chart. It's weird because There is no move. Oh yeah, yeah, it's moving, but uh, not too much participation. Just give me a few seconds, guy. I want to check the dollar index because this number is quite out of every expectation. Uh, so yeah, the dollar index is falling, and
Yeah.
also stock index are falling. Bitcoin, yeah, is slowing down, but let's wait for the Wall Street opening. But guys, this is a explosive data. I mean, 4.3% is something that no one could expect for today event.
I'm really interesting to see your reaction with that 30%. You can see that spike.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, for Bitcoin and crypto, actually, this is not a good news. It's not a good data because it will make the Fed more hawkish for the next meeting because the economy is going quite good, well. So that is not a good scenario for Bitcoin and crypto in general for the coming year for 2026. So, guys, we have to be very careful and pay attention for the coming Wall Street opening in 1 hour, and let's see how Bitcoin will close today. I know that. There is no participation on volume because it's 23 of December. Many investors, big whales, and smart monies are already on holiday. But let's see because this is quite interesting. This is quite interesting. Dimitra, you want to say something and to conclude the live?
I'm just agree with you, and yeah, I want to just provide a simple message that we need to be patient, to have risk management, and of course long-term vision. Yeah, so that's very simple message for 2026.
Yeah, yeah, very appreciate advice
Yeah,
from you, Dimitro. Yeah, Bitcoin is showing no reaction at all. So quick recap, guys. GDP explosive over 4%. I'm pretty sure that there is not the reality. I think the percentage is fake. I think the the labor statistic is cheating a bit, maybe because they want to show that U.S. economy is strong enough, but I don't think that is true. Any case, risk off on crypto and Bitcoin, and let's wait for next year to see if Bitcoin could hold the 85K support or could finally go above 90K first and then go back to 95K.
yeah. We all hope that Bitcoin is going to the moon. Yeah, as always.
Yeah, let's hope for a new bullish cycle, and let's of course wait for some more on chain and insights and like you know uh, technical data.
Yeah,
And for now, the message is simple as Dimitro just advised to everyone: patient, risk management, and long-term vision. So
yeah,
thanks everyone for being with us throughout the year. And yeah, happy holidays, good trading, Merry Christmas to everyone, and we'll see you in 2026.
yeah. Bye, everyone. See you in New Year.
Bye everyone. Thanks. Enjoy your holiday and Merry Christmas. Merry
Yeah,
Christmas, Dimitro. Merry
yeah. Merry
Christmas.
Christmas, Rafa.
Merry Christmas, Soda from Netherlands. Merry Christmas, everyone, guys. And yeah,
Yeah.
see you.
Enjoy. Bye.
Bye.